Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great in your life. Today it's my 25th day of practicing spoken English, and you already know I didn't speak. I speak without any preparation. I didn't write any note before speaking, and I do not take notes, do not write notes while speaking. I speak whatever comes in my mind. Today, I would like to speak about my thinking, what I think. Okay, it's my 25th day of practicing spoken English. Now, when I complete 30th day of practicing spoken English, after the 30th day, I will speak in a sequence, in a manner. I know I made mistake in this video, and I already made mistake many videos I have posted recently, but after the 30th, how much days left? 5 days left. After 5 days, any month, 1 month completed. Then the next month, I speak in a sequence. So, to achieve this target, to achieve this goal, I would like to order a book, English spoken book. In this book, in that book, all the sequence, structure, vocabulary, meanings, translations are written, so that I will read this book and learn whatever the book taught me, book teach me. And after then I speak according to the books, what I have read from the books, what I have studied from the books. Okay, so this method is uh, so how can I think about it? How can I think about it? There was a video I was watching yesterday, in which a teacher told us about how to learn English. She gives an example. She given an example that if you want to go upside, which way do you choose? A rough surface or a proper stairs? And everybody know the answer, a proper stairs, because it's very convenient and systematic, and we don't need any support while reaching the top of the mountain. In fact, instead of other a rough surface without any stairs, without any support, we need too much. We have too much difficulty to reach the mountains through the rough surface. So this is taught by the teacher, and then I realized I need to learn English in a systematic way. I can't speak English when I want to start. No, it's always a structure. It's always a sequence manner. And the slogan of our class is speak the English the way it is spoken. I am here to get to practice spoken English. I know I am doing great things, but I speak what I know about the English. Just like for an example, I know the meaning of I am walking. So whenever I started to speak, I speak whatever I know about the English. I am watching, I am walking, I am going to my college, I am going to my Rise Academy to learn something. So this all I know. But in my videos, I didn't use any vocabulary, any difficult vocabulary, any any modals, and any idioms, conjunctions. I didn't use this type of sentence, this type of words in my sentence, in my spoken English, because I don't know about it. So first of all, I need to learn something, then I will speak. So that's I decided I will order book, which name is I don't know what is the name, but I know this book I ordered. I will order it tomorrow, then it will come maybe after tomorrow or day tomorrow. Then I read books, and it's promised to me that I have read 2 pages minimum. It's the minimum 2 pages on a daily basis. I didn't I don't take I don't take hard task to read 10 pages of book. No, didn't I take only 2 pages of reading of book. It's increased my consistency. Because of this, after taking a small task, it's maintained my consistency to learn in English, to read a book on a daily basis. So now it's 5 minutes 40 seconds completed. Now remaining 5 minutes left. In the remaining 5 minutes left, I would like to speak about my day. Today I woke up late because it's my off today. So today I didn't go for my work. I wake up approx 11 a.m. and after the woke up I woke up approx 11 a.m. and after that I brushed my teeth and tried to have a lunch, but there is nothing in the kitchen. So I go to the restaurant and have some lunch. It's 11 a.m. so I skip my breakfast and had some lunch. And after the lunch, I went to the mango vendors to drink mango shake. Okay, after the shake I had, then I came back to my home and start watching some videos. Today it's my off, so I decided not to watch any English content. I decided to watch movies. What movies I like the most genre. In this movie, a man who is struggling to escape from the police because he is a smuggler, he is a killer, he's a criminal. So that in this movie, the villain want to escape from the police. A man want to escape from the police, and it's very hard to escape them. Then after he is running until, and then he found a kid, and then he kid coming to them and asking for something, and he denied. And after that, the kid fell into the river and he escaped them. He saved them. And after saving, the kid got high fever, so he decided to take this kid to a hospital. After hospital, and then the police saw him. Police see him, and then he opened fire to the criminal because he has kid. So he decided to run away, and he succeed to escape from the police. And after that, he take this kid to the temple Moscow, and leave this kid there and say to the Lord that you know who I am. I don't have anything to give this child except destruction. To take care of this child, keep it ourselves. Then he wanted to go away, he move away from the kid, but suddenly he realized that his childhood. When he is alone, when he has nothing, the one man who take care of them, and because of this man, he now he became criminal, killer, smuggler. So he doesn't want that this kid also faces the same. So he decided to take care of this kid. And after 6 months, he changed herself, he changed her name, her name. Before the kid, before the take care of the kid, his name was Badshah, and after this taking care of the kids, he changed his name into Babu Lohar and doing the Babu Iron Smith. And by the working of Iron Smith, he makes money and take care of the kid. After this video, after this, he forget about her love. He forget about her past. He forget about his past. He forget about his love. And then 7 years completed. After the 7 years, the kid got bigger. The kid got younger. And there is another scene in which a mother and father want to celebrate their kid birthday, their child's birthday. But everyone talking about that his child is lost in a train accident. So they tell them don't celebrate their kid birthday because it is finished, because it is dead. But everyone said that please forget your child, but its mother, it's very hard to forget my child. How can I forget? So they decided to celebrate a birthday in which they invite all the students of the school studying in their all the students studying in their school, Then the boy who was taken care by Babu Iron Smith is also there. He was also there. Then two men talking about her child got finished. Why did they celebrate their birthday? Why are they celebrate their birthday? And the child listened to them and answered, why are you saying like this? God, please save this child. And as soon as she hears it, she cries, because this is the same child who was missing, who was missing from childhood, who was taken care by Babu Iron Smith. And she doesn't know about this child, and the child also know about this, that she is her mother, she is his mother. So, but the mamta, the mother's love is connected with this child. And after that, the child came to the Babu Iron Smith, his guardian, and said that today he found a mother. And suddenly Babu realized, got angry and tell this kid, nothing is your mother, nobody is you except me. You are my child, I am your father, I am your mother. And he, after saying this, he hugged his child. And then the celebration came, in which the child who was missing sing a song. And you know what, he sing the same song who was sang by my mother when he is 1 year old, before 1 year old. And it's the same tune, it's the same tune, sing by the child, missing child. So it's 15 minutes completed. Now I will complete my video after tomorrow. tomorrow. Let's good night. Have a sweet dream. I know I made mistake in this video most. I don't know.